2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 5, 10. Really? I've made money just like this? Yes, right. You can make money online just by answering questions just like this. At least you can earn $6,000 by answering the questions just like this. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by answering questions. You don't need any experience or a skill, and you can earn money just by answering questions. It's just like this. It's so easy. I'm gonna show you a step by step. Let's go. This is the website I'm going to show you today, and I will relieve the name of this website in a few minutes. And please keep watching this video till end, not to miss any information about how to make money online just by answering questions. This is the website that people who need answers, they have some questions, they have difficult questions, simple questions, different kinds of questions in different kinds of categories. They will come here and they will leave their questions here, and they need an answer for their questions. And it's so easy to make money online in this website, and this is the opportunity for you because there are a lot of categories in this website. That's why you have the opportunity to make money online just by answering questions. And I'm gonna show you top earners in this website. If you scroll down this website, you will come here. They are the top earners of this website. As you see, they already made this amount of money. It's over $7,000 or near $7,000, $6,000. So you can make this amount of money, I mean more than them, just by answering questions. If you are an active person in this website, so you can start today to answer the questions and get paid. You will get paid by PayPal. You can withdraw your money without any commission or something. It's completely free. If you click here, answer questions, you will see the list of questions for you that they're willing to pay. $800 for this question, $20, $200, $40, $8, $25, $20, and you see here 960 pages are available for you if you want to make money in this website. Just to answer the questions, I will show you some pages now. You see this amount of money, $20, $10, $30, $70. Another page, again the same, $25, $20, $20, $50. If you click on any of them, you can choose. It depends on your experience, it depends on your knowledge. You know, different categories are available here for you, and you can choose the category that you're interested in, or you have the knowledge to answer the questions. That's all what you need to do. Just click on any questions and then answer the questions, and you will get paid. That's all. To register in this website, you need to click here, register. Then it will take you over here, and you need to enter your username and then email, and then create a password for this website. Then click here, finish registration. And after registration, you need to log in, and also log in instantly using Facebook account or your Gmail account, Google account, and you don't need to fill out this form, and you will directly instantly log in this website without registration. And then if you click on any question here, you can see the question, and then you can answer and submit your answer just like this. You see there is a project here, there is a question here. What causes large or persistent inflation? And there are two answers here. Two guys already answered this question, as you see. And just like this, the person who already asked this question can choose each answer. For example, purchase an answer below. Each of them, if they want the answer, they can choose, and then you will get paid if they choose your answer. And also, please try to answer completely and very well to get paid, because if they choose your answer and if they're not happy with that, they will ask to refund the money, and that's why you will lose your money and this opportunity to answer another question. And if you click here, frequently asked questions, you will come here. What happens if a buyer claims my answer is not good or not as described. And as you see here is the answer here. And how do I get paid? When you find a question worth answering, add your answer to the question. This will notify the question offer, and to access your answer they will have to buy it. Once they have, you will receive money in your account. To withdraw money from your account, payments are done via PayPal and can be requested in your account page. And you see there are some other questions. If you have a question, you can come here to this page and find your answer or ask the support, and they have online chat. You can get your answer. That's all what you need to do in this website. And the name of this website is School Solver. School Solver, this is the name of this website. And just come here, schoolsolver.com, schoolsolver.com. I'm gonna show you again, schoolsolver.com. This is the name of this website. You can come here and start making money online by answering questions today after watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe our channel. Be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I will answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Please click. Subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Please click. To watch more videos, please click. Also, please subscribe our channel. I'm waiting for you. Click, subscribe, subscribe, click.